Hi students, in this video, Solids 8, we will see a square pyramid, 40 mm side, 70 mm axis, lying on VP on a triangular face with axis parallel to HP. Lying on VP on a triangular face with axis parallel to HP. If you move, this is the position. If you move like this, the axis become inclined to HP also. When it is lying like this, the axis is parallel to HP. What is the inclination of the axis to VP? Axis is inclined to VP by half of this angle at the vertex. That's the angle with which the axis is inclined to VP. So this is it. What's the plan? Plan is a triangle. What's the elevation? Elevation is something like a triangular shape. You will see the base part of the square base as a rectangle. You will see the apex, you will see lines connecting them, the surface triangular face connecting them. You cannot draw. വരയ്ക്കാൻ നിവൃത്തിയില്ല. ഇതാണ് പൊസിഷൻ എന്ന് അറിയാമെങ്കിലും വരയ്ക്കാൻ നിവൃത്തിയില്ല. You cannot draw it even though you know what is the position. Okay, let's come back. If you keep this simple position, how is the axis now? Axis is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. What is the elevation? Elevation is a square. What's the plan? Plan is a triangle. Elevation is a square, plan is a triangle. This plan and this plan are geometrically the same. ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുമ്പോഴുള്ള പ്ലാനും ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ആണ്, അതും ഈ പ്ലാനും ഇതും ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ആണ്, രണ്ടും സെയിം ആണ്. ഓറിയന്റേഷൻ മാറ്റിയാൽ മതി. Agreed? So you keep this simple position, draw the elevation, project the plan, then redraw the plan. Redraw the plan. How do you redraw? You redraw in such a way that this line comes on XY line. This line comes on XY line. This line comes on XY line. So what is this point? This is C1 dash D. I mean C1 D1. This is what? A1 B1. This is what? P1. This is what? O1. What is this? This is the plan redrawn. What do you want now? You have to draw a new elevation. How do you do that? Draw vertical projectors up. Very light. Draw horizontal projectors. A dash A1 dash B1 dash C1 dash D1 dash O1 dash P1 dash. Now, all visible edges are formed, invisible edges are dotted. What are visible? The base is exposed, the base is visible, firm lines. Then, AB nearer to you. So, ABP you will see. ABP you will see. CP and DP which are lying on VP will not be visible, so dotted. Axis, chain line. So how is the pyramid? The pyramid is lying on VP on a triangular face. Which is the triangular face on which VP is lying? The triangular face la VP ൽ കിടക്കുന്നത് പിരമിഡ് CDP. CDP. The triangular face CDP is on VP. Agreed? So the square pyramid is lying on VP on a triangular face with axis parallel to HP. What is the inclination of the axis to VP? VP, this is the inclination of the axis to VP. Fine. I am just telling you for your information. That's an. Okay. This is by redrawing method. I have redrawn the plan a little bit away so that I get space for the auxiliary projection in the same drawing. How do you draw auxiliary projection? Instead of bringing the pyramid's plan onto XY with CDP on XY, I bring XY onto the line CDP. So where is XY? This is XY, or rather X1, Y1. I will put X1 there and Y1 here. Why? This is the plan. You are going to draw an elevation. When you rotate the book, X should come on the left side and Y on the right side and plan on the bottom. If I put X here and Y here, you will have a tendency to rotate like this. When you rotate like this, X will come on the left, Y will come on the right side, and the plan will go above XY. No, plan should come below XY. So I rotate it like this so that I put X1, Y1. Now what? Draw projectors from all points on the plan perpendicular to X1, Y1. Draw projectors from all points on the plan perpendicular to X1, Y1. Then what? Take the distance of the elevation from XY and mark to get the new elevation. Take the distance of the elevation points from XY and mark on the new projector to get the new elevation. A dash and D dash are this far away. On the projector through A, I get A1 dash. And this is D1 dash, B1 dash and C1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, O1 dash, and then P1 dash. Connect. What do? You have to rotate the book and make this X1, Y1 horizontal so that this is elevation, this is plan. If you have got difficulty, when the elevation is on the bottom right, you will have some difficulty in understanding. You will get confused. Rotate the book and make yourself comfortable. So this is auxiliary projection. This is redrawing method. This is auxiliary projection of the problem. Axis parallel to HP and inclined to B. I hope you understand. Thank you.